Welcome to this astral projection guided meditation. Find a serene and undisturbed place where you can completely lie down or sit. This is your sanctuary, a sacred place where you will embark on your astral journey. Feel the surface beneath you, cradling your body, offering a sense of security and comfort. Begin by taking a deep, nourishing breath. Fill your lungs with revitalizing air. Now hold this breath for a brief pause. Embrace the moment of stillness. As you exhale, visualize releasing any physical or emotional tension you've been carrying. With each breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into relaxation, letting go of the external world, focusing inward. Envision a sphere of radiant, protective light surrounding you. This light, shimmering with all colors of the rainbow. Picture it creating a barrier that only positivity can penetrate. Feel its warmth as it surrounds you. It ensures a safe and uplifting astral experience. Imagine a sturdy cord of energy anchoring you from the base of your spine to the core of the earth. This grounding cord provides stability and security, ensuring you can explore the astral realm freely, knowing you are always connected to your physical self. With each breath, sense your physical body becoming lighter, almost weightless. Visualize yourself gently separating from your physical form, floating upwards, serene and unencumbered. Before you, a portal pulses with enticing, swirling colors, a gateway to the astral plane. Feeling an inviting pull toward this portal, guiding you forward. Step through with confidence and curiosity, entering a new dimension of existence. As you merge on the other side, find yourself in an enticing environment unique to your journey. It could be a celestial garden with flowers that glow and hum with energy. It could be a tranquil beach where the stars meet the sea, or a mystical realm suspended in the cosmos. Here, time and space are fluid, and beauty knows no bounds. Give yourself permission to explore this astral landscape. Notice how movement feels here. Whether you're gliding, floating, or flying, the laws of physics do not apply in this domain, allowing you to experience freedom like never before. The astral plane is vibrant, alive with colors more vivid and textures more intricate than anything in the physical world. Sounds are pure here, forming melodies that resonate with your soul. Breathe in the atmosphere. During your exploration, you may encounter beings of pure light and wisdom. These entities are guardians of the astral realm, embodying knowledge and embodying understanding. Approach them with a heart open to receiving their teachings. You may communicate through thought, emotions, or even symbolic imagery. Listen closely for their guidance can offer you profound insights into your life. If there are questions in your heart or challenges you're facing, now is the time to seek answers. The astral realm is a source of infinite wisdom, where deeper truths can be unveiled. Trust in the journey and the revelations it brings. After you have explored to your heart's content, gently remind yourself of the cord that connects you to your physical form. Feel its pull guiding you back to the portal through which you have entered. Glide toward it, carrying with you tranquility, knowledge, and insights from your astral adventure. As you step back into your physical body, take a deep, grounding breath. Feel the energy of the earth flowing up through your grounding cord, reinvigorating and centering you. Allow yourself to reconnect with your physical senses, noticing the room around you, the surface beneath you, the air on your skin. When you feel fully present in your body, gently open your eyes, returning to the waking world with a sense of renewed peace and purpose. Take a moment to reflect on your journey, embracing the lessons and memories you gathered. Conclude your meditation by expressing gratitude for the journey, for the insights received, and for the positive energies that guided you. Know that this astral realm remains accessible to you, a sanctuary for exploration, learning, and growth. And we conclude here, and happy travels to you all.